Let's go to fucking Monaco now, huh? Right. Let's fucking move. Let's go. Kid! Huh? Hold on! What the fuck is going on out here? The jet skis just went overboard! Oh, Jesus Christ, honey, you okay? Yeah, I love you. The wave! A 20 feet high building! Turn around, let's go the other fucking way! We can't! No! We'll get broadsided and tip over! I am a master diver, you hear that? I'm a master diver, no one's gonna fucking die! I got you, dude. I got you, trust me, okay? I love you. I love you. Just hold on tight. Honey. Hold on, baby. Honey. Daddy! What? Hold on, baby.
I don't want to die, Jordan! I did a lot of bad shit! I'm going to hell, Jordan! Fucked up! I fucked up so bad!
Get the nudes downstairs.
What are you saying?
Get the nudes.
I can't go down there, Jordan! It's flooded! It's 3 feet of water down there!
I will not die sober! Get those fucking loads!
Okay!
Go!
Okay!
Where's he going?
No, baby!
Donnie!
He's
What is he, fucking crazy?
No, baby.
Jesus!
Hold on! Get away from the window! Close wind! Hey, guys! Captain 10 beats up aboard the yacht Naomi! We're going down!
I got him! I got him!
Good man!
What the fuck? This guy's right now.
This is a fucking mayday! Report me assistance!
The nice thing about getting rescued by Italians is that they feed you, make you drink red wine, then you get to dance. Did you see that? That was the plane I sent to come get us. I shit you not, it exploded when a seagull flew into the engine. 3 people killed. You want a sign from God? Well, after all this, I finally got the message.